Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix you have a store created balance, you need to spend your balance, you can change your stores. If you're using any iPhone or iPad, you're trying to change your country or region in your iPhone or your Apple ID, you might see a this step error, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, just go back from here and just open your settings app, and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strong network connection, and you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. You can also try to go to your general, go to software update, and try to update your software. So after updating software, go back and just go to your Apple ID, then tap on subscriptions, and you have to make sure that you haven't any subscriptions here. So after that, you have to also make sure that you haven't remaining credit balance in your App Store or in your Apple Pay. If you find, so I recommend you how to try to spend that out. So once you have spent all of your credit balance, so you can easily change your App Store country origin. If you find facing the issue, so you can try to contact the Apple Store team. If your credit balance is very low, you are unable to spend that. So there's the only way. Just contact the Apple Store team to spend your balance or to reset your Apple Wallet. So just simply open your Apple Store app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use the Apple Store app. Select iPhone from here. Select more option. Select App Store, or you can also select Wallet, which you want. So this haven't get more help, then tap on colors. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.